What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can convert currencies in the Trading 212 app. So let's get started. So from your homepage, to convert a currency, you would need to go to these three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. So go ahead and tap on them. And then once you're on this menu right here, you will simply need to click on the Manage Funds option right here. On the Manage Funds menu, you would need to go to the Convert option right here, right in between deposit and withdrawals. And on this screen right here, you would be able to convert currencies in the Trading 212 app. So on the upper menu, you have your current currency that you have most of your funds in, and on the bottom one, you can select whichever currency they offer to convert it from your primary currency. And these are all the currencies that they have available for conversion. So once you select your currency, you would just need to input the amount of your primary currency that you want to convert to the currency that you selected below right here. Now, once you did that, you can just go ahead and click confirm, and from there, your primary currency will be converted to the currency that you selected below. So that's, guys, how you can convert currencies in the Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.